viewers and subscribers, especially females, want you to start act more responsible. Want you to start be more alert and aware of your surroundings, especially when you're on the road. People, time to serious right now in Jamaica. Phone not gonna like no sense. Someone will chat too much. Someone will just love phone too much. When you can't sit down 5 minutes and not on the phone. If you drive, you have to depend on the phone. If you walk, you have to depend on the phone. You get me? I say, people, we know the type of society we're living in, and we know that there are several gangs, criminal gangs across Jamaica. So you know certain areas, you know, so you can't expose your jewelry, you can't expose whatever property you have will have value because the boy them a lurk and them a watch and them a wait on every opportunity to take advantage. As me I say, now in this video where you see on the screen, people, I want to see exactly what played out in this video. This female a walk, she's walking alone on the road, right? Here she is on the road, she on her cell phone talking. Now, she talking on her cell phone is a distraction. So, enough people then can't multitask either, you know. Is me I say. So, she dep on her cell phone and she probably lost to the world. Now, here comes a bike. And listen, this in Jamaica, I want to know this. Anytime you hear one bike a come, make sure you tap and look. Set yourself in a position that you can either run or if you have a weapon, you can take them on. But mostly bikes do criminal activities in Jamaica. Them are use the criminals them for the criminal activities. So because she depend on her cell phone and she caught up in whatever go on pan fear her cell phone, she not notice the motorcycle come down pan her. You see me? And again, if a bike go stop, you go hear the sound of the engine say it a gear down or something, don't it? So you tell her say the person has stop there or stop or slow down. So had she been aware now at that, she would have prepared herself to take care of herself, but no, she's distracted and lose focus. So the man pull up on her, demand her cell phone or cash or something, and she refused. But the man show her a piece. If you look on the video, they say the man lift up his shirt and show her something, which me believe is a gun. So that now she see it and she hand over her things, give the brother and the man right away. Zine. And she gone about her business. But people, it could have been much worse. A regular will see people just rob people and shot them for no reason at all. Because probably they don't want to know. Nobody give a statement against them or nobody give no evidence against them. You see me? So me ask the people them from my thing from my YouTube or share to others. Make them see the video and say what go on in Jamaica so them can ensure so them prepare themselves for things like these. Right? Ladies are being targeted right across the country because they are more vulnerable than men. So females, if you have to go up on the road, ensure say when you walk in a groups, ensure say if you have money and can charter a vehicle, somebody will trust, you do it like that. Because every day females are going missing in Jamaica. And some of them we never hear about nothing about them after a while. As me I say. So people, this video is all about to create some awareness to the population, to the female them, especially, so them can put themselves in a frame of mind to deal with stuff like this. Subscribe to my channel if you not do it yet. I ask you, I beg you, I plead you, click the subscribe button, like and share the video. Make me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Let us know if it was possible or if it is possible that the rider could have gone past the female had he not seen her cell phone